We are engineering a blueprint to stop explosions before they happen by neutralizing volatile composite dust with spark-resistant blowers. Watch as we reinforce structural integrity to survive the most extreme pressure spikes. How do you maintain cooling in a facility designed to produce lethal hardware without creating a fire hazard? We are integrating heavy-duty explosion venting latches and precision airflow patterns to dilute hazardous particles in real time. This is the ultimate guide to building reinforced ductwork capable of withstanding industrial-scale disasters. What happens when the air itself becomes a bomb in a drone manufacturing plant? We've developed a specialized safety protocol that balances high-performance cooling with mission-critical explosion proofing. From spark-resistant technology to emergency pressure mitigation, see the advanced engineering required to keep these high-stakes military environments standing.
Welcome to the apex of military drone production. In this high-tech facility, precision robotic arms assemble the next generation of aerial defense systems. But beneath the rhythm of automation lies a hidden volatility. The very composite materials that make these drones lightweight also create hazardous industrial dust. At a microscopic level, these particles are explosive. Without specialized ventilation, a single spark could trigger a catastrophic chain reaction through the facility. Imagine a standard ventilation duct. A stray electrical arc meets a pocket of dust. The resulting pressure spike travels faster than the eye can follow. To neutralize this threat, we implement explosion-proof ventilation systems. These are not standard fans. They are heavy-duty, spark-resistant blowers built for survival. Engineering for safety begins with spatial awareness. Our 3D architectural overlays map every cubic inch of airflow to identify and eliminate hazardous dilution paths. Look closely at these heavy-duty explosion venting latches. They are designed to release instantly during a pressure spike, directing force away from critical structures. The ductwork itself is a masterpiece of reinforcement, built from heavy-gauge industrial steel. It is designed to withstand internal pressure waves without collapsing. Intelligence is our greatest defense. Precision sensors track airflow and hazardous particle concentrations in real time, feeding data to a centralized mission control. When a hazard is detected, the response is instantaneous. Systems automatically seal off contaminated zones and engage. Emergency venting within milliseconds. This is mission-critical engineering. By mastering the air, we protect the production of the world's most advanced defense technologies. Zero failure tolerance is not just a goal. It is our standard, advanced ventilation for high-stakes environments engineering that never blinks.